It's super important to love your hamstring, not only to gain mobility and flexibility, but to also deepen your asanas in your yoga practice and help to improve your lower back. Hello viewers, namaste, welcome back to my channel Yoga with Sajo. Today we are going to focus on opening up our hamstrings. Let's start then.
First, we will start with coming in tabletop position. Then exhale while inhaling. Lift your knees and touch your heels on the floor. Totally push your body backwards. Inhale and while exhaling, stretch backwards. Stretch your hamstrings. Inhale and lift your left leg upwards. Tripada Adho Mukho Savasana. Exhale and bend your left knee. Place your left foot between both the hands. Ashwa Sanchalanasana. Bend your neck back. Try to touch your thigh and calf of the left leg. Now, slowly inhale and bring your hands upwards. Stretch your neck backwards. Warrior pose. Exhale and place your hands on the floor. Now inhale and slowly straighten your left leg and try to touch your forehead on the left knee. Inhale and come straight. Again stretch. Bend your neck backwards. Now place your left hand besides the left foot. Inhale and raise your right hand upwards. Exhale and bring your right hand down. Inhale and now stretch your left hand upwards, placing your right hand on the floor. Exhale and come down. Now again we'll go in downward facing dog. We will repeat the same from right side. Inhale and raise your right leg upwards. Exhale and bend your right knee. Place your right leg between both the hands. Ashwa Sanchalanasana. Now inhale and slowly lift your hands upwards. Exhale and bend towards the back side. Try to touch your thigh and your calf. Exhale and come down. Inhale and push your hips backwards. Try to touch your forehead on the right knee. Totally stretch. Inhale and come back. Stretch your neck backwards. Now place your right hand beside your right foot. Inhale and lift your left hand upwards. You can feel the stretch in your thighs, your lower back. Exhale and come down. Inhale and raise your right hand upwards, placing the left hand on the floor. Exhale and bring your right hand down. Now slowly go back in downward facing dog. Now inhale and bring your right leg forward besides your right hand. Bend both the hands. Lizard pose. Stretch your neck backwards. Inhale and lift your right hand upwards. Exhale and come down. Now again we'll go back in downward facing dog. Now bring your left leg beside your left hand. Bend both the hands. Touch your elbows. Stretch your neck back. Inhale and lift your left hand upwards. Exhale and bring the hand down. Again going back in Adho Mukho Savasana. You're doing great. Halfway to go. Now walk towards your hands and we'll stretch here more. Bend your right knee, lift your right heel. Inhale and place your left hand on your right toe and lift your right hand upwards. Stretch here, you can feel the stretch. Exhale and place the right hand on the floor. Inhale and lift your left hand upwards. Maintain your balance. Exhale and bring your hand down. Now we will repeat the same from the left side. Bending your left knee, place your right hand on your left toe. Inhaling, raising the left hand upwards. Exhaling, placing your left hand on the floor and stretching your right hand upwards. Exhale and slowly bring your hand down. Now we'll go in Padastasana. Try to hold your calves and try to touch your forehead on the knees. Inhale and come up. Exhale and again go in Padastasana. Inhale and come up. Now we'll come in sitting position. Slowly straighten your both the legs and come in sitting position. Now stretch both the legs at the side. Come in a comfortable position. Place both the hands between your thighs. Exhale and slowly bend forward. Stretch your hands forward. Try to touch your chin on the floor or your forehead on the floor. Keep your knees straight. You can feel the burn in your thighs. Inhale and slowly come up. Now bring your legs a little closer. Place your right hand below your right knee and left hand below your left knee. Try to touch your chin on the floor. Stretch forward. You can also touch your forehead on the ground. Now inhale and slowly come up. Take a deep breath in and while exhaling again touch your chin on the floor. Keeping your elbows bent. You can also touch your forehead here. Inhale and slowly come up and join your legs. Okay, now coming towards the end, we'll sleep on our back. Inhale and bring your knees close to your chest. Hold your knees with your hands and now rotate in a circular motion from left to right 5 times. You are loosening your legs and from right to left 5 times. Whatever stretch we have given to our body is going to get released now. Now we'll come in happy puppy pose. Hold your toes with your hands, your knees closer to your chest and do a sideways movement, releasing the stress on your hamstring, your calves, your lower back. Totally relaxing. Now slowly bring your feet on the floor. Come in a sitting position. We will end with chanting Om. So viewers, we'll meet in my next video. Till then, stay tuned. Namaste.